If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
The KitchenAid Blade Coffee Grinder combines high performance with classic styling to deliver gourmet results every time. Flawless fingertip control lets you grind enough beans to brew up to 12 cups of coffee, quickly and with minimal noise. And the bowl, blade, and cover are dishwasher safe. It's how great coffee gets made. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.
Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder. If you're a coffee lover, you know there are really only a couple of secrets to making great coffee: good water and fresh beans. But of course there's a third secret, and that's to keep the beans from losing their flavor by grinding them right when you need them. Listen to it. The Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder is quieter than any of the leading competitors. It has stainless steel blades, and you can use it to grind spices as well as coffee. There is a removable grinding chamber, so cleaning up is a snap. There's also easy cord storage, so it won't take up a lot of space when you're not using it. Now that's good thinking.